Hello and welcome. You might have noticed that there are now gameplay mods or mutators, like for example the Juggernaut mod, which uses Ravenscript, and they add gameplay without necessarily changing weapons or vehicles or adding maps. You gotta subscribe, of course, and then they will be downloaded. Currently there is no category yet. Once there is, it should appear on the workshop main page over here, probably as mutator or game mode or something like that. For now, what you can do is go to Browse, Items, and then sort by most recent. Well, try to see things that are not weapons, not vehicles, not maps, not skins, and hopefully people will start using this icon more. Anyways, start Ravenfield once you have downloaded those mutators. Press play, go to Instant Action, and scroll down. This is where they are hidden, in mutators. Here you can enable and disable them. Oh yeah, also make sure that they are enabled here in mods, just in case. And then maybe reload mod content. Alright, in mutators, let's just enable all of them. You will have to know how to use them, so read the workshop page. For example here, how does it work? It just automatically works by mutating enemies. And there's two, Juggernaut Easy and Juggernaut Dreadnought. The name tags mod probably works by itself without any interaction. Cross-chair as well. The time changer needs you to do something. So if we look at this, it actually has it in the screenshot. Nice. Or down here, press numpad plus minus to change the speed. Press H to apply and press H to disable it. Page down to reload the script. Okay. Well, that was a Juggernaut. That was one of the mutators. Okay, so they are and we can see the name tags, of course. Okay, and now let's see. To change the speed, numpad plus, yes, setting timescale to 1.5, 0.5, and H. Okay, and it was changed. Alright, let's speed it up. Setting it to 4, H. Okay, so first reset, and now H again. Oh, right. This is silly. Okay, slow down. No. Okay, how about we reload the whole thing by pressing, was it page up or page down? No, page down. Page down? Script reloading is only available in test mode. What? What is test mode? Apparently I can only change it while I'm alive. No. H. Okay. Why is it showing me jug health? Is that... What? Alright, so things are being weird partially, but also pretty cool. This is how you use mutators. By the way, in case that didn't work, what I showed you earlier, make sure that Ravenfield, by right-clicking Properties, is in the beta branch. Not none, but beta. Right? Just go to Library, find Ravenfield, right-click it, go to Properties, go to Beta, and make sure it's on the beta branch. At some point this requirement is going to disappear, but for now that's what it is. Have fun with the new mods, subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, and I will see you next time. Until then, ciao!